Welcome to Basic AI. Let's get started with a reviewer. You are in the reviews stage of the task workflow. First, go to the Task tab on the sidebar. Under My Tasks, To Do, locate the Review category. Your review tasks will be displayed here. When the status is Ongoing and data available in the task pool, click Review to claim a batch of data. In the data list, click Review on a data card or Review All to access the tool page. Check the data for accurate annotation, including classes, classifications, and validity. You can add comments to the annotation results and manage all the comments here. Click the button to reject the results of the annotators or pre-reviewers. You can also modify the annotation results. Use the annotation tools as an annotator would. Don't forget to save the changes before returning to the review mode. If you encounter questions or difficulties, click Suspend to hold the data temporarily. The suspended data can be reclaimed later through the task card. If you agree with the results, click to pass. The data will be sent to the next stage of the queue. A timer will be displayed at the top of the data list and tool page. You can pause and restart it. The data will be reset to the task pool when the countdown expires. After annotators or pre-reviewers correct the data you have rejected, click here to re-review. The data you have passed may be rejected by post-reviewers or inspectors. Modify these rejects based on the reasons and comments. You may come across some errors while performing the task. Don't worry. Click the avatars on the card to get your admin's contact information. Additionally, you can click here to view your performance. Feel free to check out the document for more details. See you in the next session.